Okay, so you can't afford my human hair toppers. Try this instead. This is a do-it-yourself hair topper using synthetic hair from CurlKalon. I'm going to use their Kenzie curl, which is their largest curl, their Saniyah curl, which is a medium curl. So let's get into it. We are going to start by attaching this net to your canvas head. Now, this net that I'm using, you would usually use this to make a drawstring ponytail. I find that this net is the perfect size for hair toppers. I'm going to make sure I list everything in the description box. Everything in this video, the tools, the net, the hair will be listed there, including the items that will be available in my Amazon storefront. So I'm using some T-pins just to attach the net to the canvas, and then we're going to go on to step 2. Okay, so go ahead and grab your Saniyah curl. Both the Kenzie and Saniyah curl are 10 inches in length. We're starting with the Saniyah curl because it's the smaller curl of the two. We want this to sit right up against your natural hair so that it blends seamlessly. So I'm using this micro crochet needle. I go through about 4 to 6 holes at a time, pull the hair through, create a knot, and pull it tight. I place these about a finger width apart. Now I'm going to go and crochet this around the perimeter a couple times until I use all of the 2 packs of Saniyah curl. Now that we've finished with the Saniyah curl, we're going to move on to the Kenzie curl, which is the largest curl. And you're going to do the same method. Now I do separate the hair into about 2 pieces for each of these curls. Be careful when you separate because you don't want to create a lot of frizz. You can put them in as is, but I like to separate the curls because then it saves me time in separating when I'm done. So go ahead and do the same thing all around until you use both packs of the Kenzie curl. Once you're finished, you should have something that looks like this. Now, it's up to you if you want to add wig clips or actual combs. I like wig clips for myself personally, but if you're making this for a client that does not like wig clips and you actually just want to use combs, you'll just use combs instead of the wig clips and sew them in place like I did here. So I used 4 wig clips. They snap open and close. And now I'm just going to show you how to install the hair topper. Section off your crown area, and of course use Be Renewed's foam wrap to define your curls. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're here, do not leave without subscribing. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'm Assunta Davidson. I'm a hair loss practitioner, a woman of faith, an innovator, and I am here to serve you. Okay, here to serve you. If you are dealing with hair loss, I have a 4-step product system that will promote healthy hair. I have hair toppers that help you with crown thinning. You can find all of those items on my website in the description box below. If you are here and you just watched a hair tutorial, all of the tools and materials will be in my Amazon storefront. So you can go and shop there in the description box. Please always make sure you check the description box or the pinned post on the video in the comments. Everything is always listed for your convenience. I love you guys. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. You want to open up your wig clips. And once you have those all open, you're going to start in the front of your hairline. And I left a little bit of my hair out just in case I want to like pull it up. And I want that natural look. So I'm going to slide the comb in, clip it down, and then I'm going to stretch it to where I want it to clip in the back. Now, because this is a stretch net that we're using, you can get a really good stretch out of this. So even if you want to pull it down to make like a little mohawk, trust me, you can do that. So now that's in place, you want to start cutting and shaping. Now, because this is synthetic hair, you want to make sure that you're not cutting blunt ends. This CurlKalon hair is alkaline free. It is the best synthetic hair for your hair. It blends so well with your natural curls, but you want to make sure that you're sliding your scissors and then cutting. And after you cut, you want to take a pick and just blend your natural curls with the synthetic curls. This is an easy and affordable do-it-yourself hair topper. It's using synthetic hair, alkaline free, itch free, CurlKalon, top of the line synthetic hair. But if you're looking for something that is human hair with longevity that also mimics your natural curl, Be Renewed's Empress and Monarch Curl hair toppers are for you. Yes, the cost is more, but the value is too. I love you guys. Live life on purpose with purpose.